Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to delete Omio account. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Omio app or your Omio account, which of course I have done right here. Then the next thing is, how can you create an account on Omio? It's pretty simple. Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type omio.com, and after doing that, that's going to take you to the official website for Omio. In the website, follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account, and after creating your account successfully, that's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Omio. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to delete your Omio account. So from this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have your profile name. Click on that and you have this extended menu that says passenger details, your bookings, payment method, notification, refer friend, sign out. Go ahead and click on passenger details, and that takes you to the passenger details window. So over here, scroll all the way down until you find delete account. Now on the delete account, it says please contact customer service to delete your account. Now visit our contact page, which is help.omio.com. Just go ahead and click on that hyperlink, and that's going to take you right into the help desk. On the right to us, you're going to find send request. So go ahead and click on the send request button. Now here you have a form to fill out. Add your first name, enter your email, enter your booking number, select your topic. Please erase or check OK. So enter I would like to leave a comment or feedback. Because there is no topic relating to deletion of account. So how can we help you? Now in this box is the most important aspect of this. Express yourself, pour your mind out. Let them know that you want your account to be deleted because you don't want to use it anymore. Now Omio is going to respect your request. After doing that, add attachments if you need to and click on submit. But let's say if you think that you will not be patient enough for them to respond to you, go ahead and give Omio a call by clicking on this number in here and calling them. They will definitely respond to you quickly. Let them know that you want your account to be deleted and you want that to be done right away with no delay. So that's pretty much the process. This is how you can delete your account in Omio. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.